Troubleshooting tips: if the BP isn't visible during selection, check CBC scoping and IM authorization. If a purchase order errors, verify the supplier purchasing data segment. For sales issues, ensure sales area assignments exist. The Check BP Consistency app is your go-to diagnostic tool for resolving errors. You'll learn how to create, extend, and integrate business partner records in S/4HANA Cloud. We'll walk through every step, from assigning roles to linking company codes and purchasing organizations. By the end, you'll understand exactly how business partner data drives both procurement and finance transactions. After this session, you'll be able to create a business partner in the Fiori Launchpad, assign supplier and customer roles, link it to organizational structures in CBC, and verify the integration by testing purchase and sales transactions. We'll also discuss common issues and troubleshooting methods. Pre-configuration checks. Before beginning, perform a few essential checks. Ensure that the relevant scope items like Supplier Management 1XN and Customer Management 1YF are activated in CBC. Confirm that your IM role, SAP BR BUPA Master Specialist, is assigned. Lastly, verify that number ranges and groupings for business partners are already configured in your tenant. Accessing the BP Fiori app, log into your SAP Fiori Launchpad. In the search bar, type Manage Business Partner Master Data. Click the tile to open the overview page. You'll see existing business partners listed by number, name, and category. This is your workspace for creation, extension, and maintenance. Creating a new business partner, click Create, then select the Organization category since we're building a company entity. Enter the business partner's name, address, country, and language. Save this record to establish the general data layer. This creates a BP shell that can now be extended with additional roles. Assigning business partner roles, navigate to the Roles tab. Click Add and select the roles you need. Supplier FLVN00 for finance, Supplier FLVN01 for purchasing. For customer setup, FLCU00 and customer FLCU01. Each role adds new sections like company code, purchasing, or sales area for corresponding data entry. Supplier role, finance data. In the Supplier FI vendor view, assign the company code, for example, 17110. Enter the reconciliation account, such as 3000, and payment terms like 0001 immediate. Save your entries. This financial segment defines how supplier transactions post in the accounts payable ledger. Supplier role, purchasing data, switch to the supplier purchasing view. Here you maintain purchasing organization, 1710, order currency, INR, INC terms, and order acknowledgement requirements. This data is used every time a purchase order is created for this supplier. Customer role, finance data. For customer integration, go to Customer, FI Customer view. Enter the company code, reconciliation account 11,000, and payment terms 0002, 30 days. Optional settings like dunning procedures can be defined here. This ensures accounts receivable postings flow correctly from billing transactions. Customer role, sales data, in customer, sales area, view. Maintain your sales organization, distribution channel, and division. For instance, 1710-10-0. Enter shipping conditions, pricing procedure, and delivery priority. This data becomes the default in sales orders created for this customer. Defining relationships and contacts, navigate to the Relationships tab. Select Contact Person as the relationship type, link to an existing BP category person, or create a new one. Assign validity dates and communication details. This relationship allows contact information to flow automatically in transactions like RFQs or sales orders. BP grouping and number range validation. Open general data, grouping, and ensure the correct grouping is selected. For example, supplier DOM for domestic or customer and T for international. Validate that the internal or external number range matches your project setup. This ensures numbering remains consistent across your landscape. Replication and activation. After saving, the system automatically replicates data across roles. Run the Check Business Partner Consistency app to confirm data integrity. If successful, your BP is now fully active and integrated with procurement and finance. This replication happens instantly in the cloud environment. Configuration in CBC, organizational mapping. Now, switch to central business configuration. Open your project and go to Organizational Structure. Map your company code, plant, and purchasing organization to the relevant BP roles. This step ensures that the BP is recognized by all business areas during transactions. Testing procurement integration. Back in Fiori, open Create Purchase Order. Select your newly created supplier as the vendor. You'll notice that payment terms, address, and currency auto-populate, all pulled from your BP configuration. Save the purchase order and review the document flow to confirm successful integration. Testing customer integration. If sales scope items are active, open Create Sales Order. Enter your new customer BP as the sold to party. Observe that delivery and billing data are auto-filled from the BP record. Save the document. You've now validated both procure-to-pay and order-to-cash integrations. Troubleshooting tips. If the BP isn't visible during selection, check CBC scoping and IM authorization. If a purchase order errors, verify the supplier purchasing data segment. For sales issues, ensure sales area assignments exist. The Check BP Consistency app is your go-to diagnostic tool for resolving errors. You've now configured and validated a business partner end-to-end. You saw how BP roles tie together finance, procurement, and sales functions seamlessly. Next, in Part 3 Mini-Lab, we'll perform this entire process hands-on, step-by-step, inside your S/4HANA Cloud Training tenant. KRTI Edu. Learn, practice, certify, succeed.